Last year I was in Romania and spent about 4 days, very wonderful days, and meet with the Prime Minister and with the Patriarch Daniel. It was wonderful meetings. So we have very small Coptic church in Bucharest.
This is very, very special for me to be here today, and I thank you very, very much for because your work and your faith gives richness to our work.
Yes.
About the royal family of Romania, in what we did in the last 35 years in Romania.
Yes.
It's a small book about 35 years of our life.
Yeah.